Yeah, there's a couple shots at it. Now, what's going to take place tonight while you're sleeping? I want to get this point across to everybody. It's not much of an event at all. It is out there tonight. Could be a little problematic for some folks in Ocean County, but other than that, I think we're focused more on Tuesday. So let me get you outside right now. This is what it looks like, okay? Skies overhead are cloudy. It's a light wind at 3 miles per hour, almost non-existent. 34 degrees right now. Overall, this was your better weekend day. You were 3 degrees warmer today than you were yesterday. Central Park maxed out today at 35 degrees. But you got rid of the wind, okay? The wind was gone. Warmest reading anywhere today. Bridgeport, Connecticut, and Newark both coming in at 37 degrees. So what do you expect about these two little snow events that we're talking about? Well, the overnight snow event is real minimal. I gave you those numbers at the top of the show. I'll go over them again for you. But as far as Tuesday's system, it's not a blizzard, okay? It's not. This is not the biggest thing we've ever seen, but definitely one of the biggest that we've had this year because, gang, we have been snow-starved. Outside of that November storm, there's really been not much of anything. This system will affect both Tuesday morning commute and the Tuesday PM commute. So let's make some sense of everything that's out there. As of right now, a couple little snowflakes, yes. The bigger picture is going to show you. You see a lot more moisture heading all the way down, west of the Tennessee Valley. But this high-pressure system that gave you a good-looking day today kind of stays in the same place and never allows any of that real moisture to come into our area. This big high-pressure system out around the northern plains, what that's going to do, by the time you get to Tuesday, this will be set up in a position where it's going to be bringing in some colder air to our area. So we're talking about more frozen precipitation. Not all frozen precipitation, but more for the Tuesday event. So take a look at it on the computer models. Put it into motion. Don't blink for tonight's event because there's not a lot to it, but there is some snow out there. The darker blues show you where the snow is coming down at a heavier rate, right? So Ocean County, portions of Monmouth County, getting close to Sandy Hook. That's 2 a.m., all right? Most everybody's sleeping, I hope. And then you get to, say, the morning commute, 7 a.m. If anybody's going to have a tough time, I think it would be Ocean County. And even that, southern portions of Ocean County could still have some falling snow at around 7 a.m. All right, then you go through your day. On Monday, the clouds are in place. And then we start looking at Tuesday. What happens on Tuesday? Well, 3:30, 4:35, say 7, 8 in the morning. 8 in the morning on Tuesday. Now the snow has moved into the area, all right? You're seeing basically snow for a lot of folks in our area. Well to the south is where you start to see that rain, snow, and the mixing line. But this is 8:30. That's your morning commute. Watch how that pink, which shows you where the sleet and the freezing rain is, that moves over the metro areas at around lunchtime. But you still have snow come down at a good clip north of the area. This is why I think plenty of folks could see 6 inches or more and then watch that icing event take over north of us, and that's a prolonged event. So that's one of the reasons why this winter weather advisory is in effect for you, not just the 6 inches or more of snow, but also 1/10 of an inch to maybe around 1/4 of an inch of ice. The snowfall numbers, I'm going with this. I'd say 2 to 4 around the city and all those areas shaded in that light blue color. 4 to 6 inches or more north and west, and then south of the area would be like a 1 to 2 inch range. That's the Tuesday event. Tomorrow's event is going to be even much smaller than that. Looking across the board, you're 38 for Monday, 35 on Tuesday. Wednesday, you're 43. Valentine's Day, as of right now, the sun is out and it's 42 degrees. We will hit the 50s for Friday and Saturday.